Okay, question 12, right? Betty and Deanna have 109 coins altogether. So Betty had 25 more coins than Deanna. So how many coins does Deanna have? Okay guys, this is a very straightforward question for part A. You just need to draw the model, Betty and Deanna. Betty has more. How many more? Betty has 25 more than Deanna. So the model goes like this, and total is 109. Okay, so to find Deanna, right, we can find 2 units would be 109 minus 25. That will be 84. So 1 unit will be just 84 divided by 2. We have 42. Okay, so that's the answer for part A. Okay guys, part B will be more difficult. Okay, we know that Deanna had only $1 or 50 cents coin. Okay, $1 or 50 cents coin. So, but the problem is that we don't know how many $1 and how many 50 cents coin does she have. So we know that this is $1, but I don't know how many. She also has 50 cents coin. I also don't know how many. But I know that she has altogether 42 coins, and the total amount, the total value of this coin when you add up, it is $25.50. Okay, so guys, this type of questions, right, when you have 2 different objects and you don't know how many you have for each of them, you are given a total number of coins, total number of value. What you need to do is just to do the guess and check. Okay, but guys, I'm going to show you all this modified guess and check, because guess and check, you know, you probably will need a lot of steps in order to get the answer, but now I'm going to teach you all a shortcut. Okay, so same thing, the same thing will be the same like the starting step of a guess and check. They'll all together be 6 columns. Okay, so guys, the first column, of course, is the number of $1 coin, because the 2 objects is $1 and 50 cents, right? Then the second one, it will be 50 cents coins. Okay, then the $1 value. So this is the number of coins, right? So when I times by $1, that will give us how much money is it. Okay, then after that, I also have the 50 cents value. Then I have the total value, and lastly, I need to check. Guys, what do I check for? I need to check whether it tallies up to $25.50. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, right, is that guys, can you please take note how many $1 and how many 50 cents you are supposed to guess. Okay, but of course you know that all together there are 42. So the number of $1 and 50 cents that you guess, it can be any number, but make sure that these 2 numbers, it should add up to 42. Can you please take note? So I just put a bracket here to tell you that must add to 42. So guys, what is a good guess to start off with? Okay, I will just take 42 divided by 2. So 42 divided by 2, each one will be 21. So first step, I will do 21. So if you have 21 $1 coin, the $1 value, it will be 21 times $1. It gives you $21. Okay, and also 21 times 50 cents. I will get $10.50. So the total value, if I add up, right, 21 plus $10.50 is going to give us $31.50. So we check. It's different from 25.50, right? So this is wrong. Okay, so guys, what do we need to do on usually? Can you see that this is what we get is 31.50. We want to get $25.50. So we have to make the total value lesser. To make it lesser, we have to decrease the number of $1 coin, correct? And we need to have more 50 cents coin. But how many to reduce? How many to add? If you do guess and check, it's going to take quite long. So I'm going to show you this shortcut. This shortcut is called the minus divide method. Okay, so guys, the first minus what we do, right, is that we take the total value, we minus. You see this total value and the check here, which one is bigger? We take that bigger one minus the smaller one. So $31.50, $31.50 I minus $25.50. Okay, so I will get $6. Next, I take the two objects that I have, $1.50, I minus again. So $1 minus 50 cents, I get 50 cents. Then lastly is divide, right? So I just take 6 divided by 50 cents that I found here. So 6 divided by 50 cents, I have 12. Okay, so this 12, right? Okay, we know that now we have a total value that is too high. So we need to decrease the $1 coin. So how many to decrease? 12. Okay, so 21 minus 12, I get 9. So if this is 9, 42 minus 9, I will have 33 here. Okay, so guys, basically the second step you should get the answer. Okay, let me just prove it to you. So 9 times $1, you get $9. 33 times 50 cents, I will get $16.50. So if you add this up, you will have $25.50. So you get the answer. Okay guys, please do not stop here because you have to extract the answer for the marker. Can you see they are asking how many 50 cents coins does she have? Okay, does she have? Then that will be 33. So please write down the answer, 33, and this is 42. Okay guys, that's it. Let me just recap a little bit on this shortcut method. Guys, first of all is the minus divide. So minus, what do you minus? You minus the total value and the check. Okay, whichever is bigger, you just take the bigger one minus the smaller one. Okay, then next, we take the two objects here. What are the two objects? $1 and 50 cents. So we take $1 minus 50 cents. I get 50 cents. Then after I divide 6 divided by 50 cents, I get 12. So 12 is the number that you have to add or minus to get the final answer. Okay, so with this minus divide, your guess and check, 2 steps you can get the answer. So this is a modified guess and check method.